2026 is shaping up to be a year where emerging technologies shift from experimentation to mainstream use. According to Demis Hassabis of DeepMind, rapid progress in AI and computing is accelerating global adoption across multiple industries. In the last few years, technology has advanced faster than at any point in recent memory. Today, we're looking at 15 new technology trends expected to define how we work, build, and innovate in 2026. Let's get started. 15. Generative AI 2.0. Generative AI is entering a new phase where models operate across text, images, audio, video, and code in the same workflow. Companies in biotech, design, and automation are using these systems for protein modeling, prototyping, and data summarization. Tools from OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic show early examples of integrated multimodal reasoning. By 2026, generative AI will evolve from content creation into collaborative problem-solving across industries. 14. Expansion of 5G and early 6G research. 5G networks are expanding into rural and underserved areas, improving stability and reach. Japan, South Korea, and the United States are running large-scale upgrades while testing next-generation wireless hardware. Samsung and Nokia have demonstrated early 6G prototype speeds in controlled environments. By 2026, 6G research will accelerate with more public demonstrations, though commercial rollout remains years away. 13. AI native development and AI supercomputing. Software development is shifting toward AI-assisted coding and automated project workflows. Tools like Devin from Cognition Labs and emerging coding models from OpenAI and Google can debug, write, and deploy software. Microsoft, OpenAI, and NVIDIA are developing AI-optimized supercomputing centers for large-scale training. By 2026, developers will increasingly supervise AI agents instead of manually executing entire development cycles. 13. Agentic AI and autonomous digital workers. Agentic AI systems can plan tasks, execute steps, and verify results without constant human input. AutoGPT, Devin, and enterprise task agents are being tested for research, customer support, and logistics planning. Several industries already use early agents to run simulations and generate structured reports. By 2026, these digital workers will become part of standard business operations. 11. AI governance and regulation. Governments are creating regulatory frameworks to guide responsible AI development. The EU's AI Act, U.S. executive orders, and guidelines from the UK, Canada, and Japan emphasize safety and transparency. Major companies have launched internal safety boards to address bias, misuse, and compliance. By 2026, regulation will be a central requirement for deploying AI systems. 10. Multi-agent AI systems. Multi-agent systems enable multiple AIs to collaborate on complex workflows. Research labs demonstrated agents solving puzzles, negotiating tasks, and validating each other's outputs. Businesses use multi-agent systems for logistics planning, customer service, and enterprise automation. By 2026, coordinated AI teams will become increasingly common. 9. Preemptive cybersecurity. Cyber attacks are becoming faster and more automated, requiring real-time AI-driven defense. Security platforms now detect anomalies, quarantine threats, and isolate compromised systems automatically. The FBI has reported rising ransomware incidents, highlighting the need for automated monitoring. By 2026, preemptive cybersecurity will be standard for protecting organizational networks. 8. Confidential computing. Confidential computing encrypts data during processing inside secure hardware environments. Intel, AMD, Google, and Microsoft are developing chips that enable encrypted computation for sensitive workloads. This is especially important in healthcare, finance, and identity verification systems. By 2026, confidential computing will become a key requirement for secure data infrastructure. 7. Low-code and no-code platforms. Low-code tools allow non-technical teams to build applications and automate internal workflows. Gartner predicts that most enterprise applications will rely on low-code frameworks by 2026. Businesses report reduced IT bottlenecks and faster project delivery through these platforms. By 2026, low-code will be central to digital transformation efforts. 6. Smart consumer technology. Consumer devices are becoming more adaptive, connected, and personalized. Smart mirrors, multi-display laptops, sleep tracking beds, and lightweight AR glasses are gaining traction. Wearables collect health data and integrate with home systems for personalized experiences. By 2026, these devices will shift from niche products to everyday consumer tech. 5. IoT and edge computing. Factories, farms, and cities increasingly rely on connected sensors and real-time monitoring. Edge computing allows devices to process data locally, reducing dependence on cloud servers. Companies like Amazon, NVIDIA, and Qualcomm produce chips that support on-device decision-making. By 2026, edge-powered IoT solutions will dominate industrial automation. 4. Advances in quantum computing. Quantum research now focuses on stabilizing qubits and reducing error rates. IBM, Google, IonQ, and university labs are building larger processors and hybrid quantum classical systems. These are being tested for chemistry simulations, secure communication, and optimization problems. By 2026, quantum computing will remain early stage but increasingly relevant. 3. VR and AR in work and education. VR and AR tools are growing across professional training, remote collaboration, and design environments. Headsets are used for surgical planning, virtual classrooms, and mixed reality workspaces. Museums and universities integrate AR overlays into tours and instruction. By 2026, VR and AR will be widely adopted across specialized industries. 2. Biotechnology innovation. Biotechnology is improving diagnostics, personalized treatment, and agricultural productivity. Labs use genetic analysis, AI-assisted modeling, and precision farming tools to accelerate research. Drug discovery teams rely on protein modeling and simulation before moving to physical trials. By 2026, biotech workflows will see broader adoption across medicine and agriculture. 1. Autonomous and semi-autonomous vehicles. Semi-autonomous features such as lane centering, automated parking, and highway steering are becoming widespread. Companies test robotaxis, autonomous shuttles, and delivery vehicles in controlled environments. Manufacturers continue refining higher-level automation under human supervision. By 2026, vehicles will manage more driving tasks while humans oversee safety. These trends show how quickly technology is moving into mainstream use as we progress through 2026. To explore more breakthroughs, check out the next video on your screen. Share your thoughts in the comments below.